Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix TikTok app keeps crashing issue Android. Click settings, click apps, click app management, click TikTok, click storage use, click clear data, then click OK. Click back, open any app, click storage use, click clear cache. Same process, step by step clear all app cache. Click about device, click storage, click clean, click clean, then restart your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Then search TikTok. Click TikTok. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.